right, if you dream about some of the finest automobiles, we have them all right here. We've got the Ferraris, Porsches, Beamers, Corvettes, the whole deal here. And Dave Stahl, our automotive expert, is here to talk about why are these beautiful cars in our parking lot?
Why
Did we just
not?
get a pay raise? What happened?
Well,
a bonus?
there's a lot of folks that drive very nice cars, the ZR1 Corvette, the Nissan GTR, and they need a place to hang out and have some fun.
Why not
So
here?
my good buddy here has put an event together called
Rooftop Luxury.
And it is an event that's first time this coming Wednesday night.
First time Wednesday night. It's going to be 7 p.m. It's in UTC. It's in a parking structure right next to Harry's Bar and American Grill right across from the UTC Mall. It's going to be some great cars. As you can see, we got a bunch of them here. It's going to be a good time for everybody.
But folks can come and view. They can come,
Yep.
take a look. They won't be able to park necessarily on the top, first, second, or third structure, but
Right.
they'll be able to come to the event, see some beautiful cars, hang out at Harry's Bar because they're going to do a special. We'll talk to Laura here in a moment. But what's the reason you're doing it? Isn't there a charity you've attached to this as well?
Well, basically, we have a couple that we're trying to work on. We're going to be working with the C4K run, which is in September.
Perfect.
Which we're going to try to Abe Dayer and I he's assisting me with this as well, helping me coordinate all this, and we're really trying to give back to the community.
Cool.
We're really trying to raise awareness of the luxury car
All right.
scene in San Diego.
Well, let's go kick some tires here. But first, we'll talk to Laura because Harry's Bar and Grill, really nice. Of course, you're right in the neighborhood. What the heck, huh? So tell us what you've got for the folks if they show up on Wednesday.
All right, lots of food, drinks, really nice cars. It's going to be a very nice event. We're happy to sponsor it.
And if nobody's ever been to Harry's Bar, they've really missed a great experience.
They have. It's very nice. American Italian, right in UTC
All right.
on 4370 La Jolla Village Drive.
And they've got a great salmon there. If you haven't had their salmon, give it a whirl. It's delicious.
We're not talking fish. We're talking Corvette ZR1. I tell you, between this one and that one over there, I don't know who I'd wrestle it from. I'd probably have better luck getting his car than I would yours. Hi, what's your name?
Stephanie Simo.
And this is your car, right?
Yes.
I love this car. All right,
Thank
you've
you.
got my color. You've done everything. Thank you very much. I'll give you the Fiat straight credit across. What do you think?
Yeah, we'll do a switch.
The
Yeah.
Gucci for this.
Yeah, absolutely.
I thought so too. Hey, now let's talk about. I got it. I don't know. It'd be a tough draw. Nissan GTR1.
Depends what you're using it for. I would go GTR.
Yeah, I love your car too. This is a really great car. How long? Is this part of the company?
No, this is a customer car.
No, this is. But HG Motorsports, you guys
Yeah.
supporting this event?
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, we're a sponsor with Abe and everyone else.
How'd you get that customer car? If that was my car, you wouldn't get my car. But that's okay. That's because
We got friends.
Oh, yeah, you got friends. One of the other big sponsors, Dare
Dave.
Construction. How you doing, bud?
Good. How are you?
How'd you
this
drive
morning?
two cars?
Yeah, I actually ended up bringing one of my customers' cars as well. Andrew Rains is a good friend of mine, as well as he's participating in a remodel that we're doing right now. So,
Cool. So Dare Construction, big supporter of this event as well.
Yep, we're a design build remodeling firm. We handle anything from dirt to doorknobs.
Dirt to doorknobs. Well, I got all of those, but none of them are together. All right. Hey, now this is the guy that I want to talk to. Uh-oh. My tail. I have to go around this way real quick. We got time?
We got 30 seconds.
Oh,
Dave.
I can do 30 seconds. Watch this. The BMW Club of California, right here, right?
San Diego, actually.
San Diego, cool.
Yes.
You guys are huge out at the queue. You guys are great when it
Yes.
is autocrossing and teaching people
Yep.
once they buy the car how to drive the car.
Absolutely.
And you're a big supporter of this event as well?
Absolutely. This event is going to be huge, and the BMW Club is proud to be there. So
I tell you
looking
what, you
forward
guys
to
need
it.
to come down to KUSI and do one of my segments
You got
sometime.
it.
All right,
All right,
Dave.
and you are last but not least?
Chris from HG Motorsports.
All right. Well, we already talked to the other guy, but this is yours?
One of my clients' cars.
Gosh, all these client cars. How do they get away with all these client cars?
They got some great clients, don't they, Dave?
I know, but hey, everybody's
the
letting them
event-
have cars.
The
I don't
event is
understand.
March 7th.
Yeah, let's do hits,
It's
runs, and airs.
in La Jolla Village. And they've run out of high rise, 7 p.m. at this thing.
Yeah.
And they're inviting the public to come down?
Sure.
Correct. Yep. To actually bring your car, you do have to RSVP to SD Luxury 4Play, number 4Play, at gmail.com, which I think they're probably flashing on the TV right now.
Yeah, they're putting it up right now. So this is a great event. It's March the 7th. Come on down. Even if you just dreamed of having a vehicle like this, you can check them all out on March the 7th. All right, Dave Stahl, as always, thank you so much.
All right.
Good Morning San Diego continues right after the break. Stay with us.